Assalamu alaikum. Welcome third prep. I'm Miss Hayam, math. Okay, I will help you to understand this year. It's so easy, inshallah. Firstly, we need to talk about algebra and geometry with you this year. Okay. Welcome back to school. We missed you so much and waiting to meet you. Okay. Let's start to introduce our lesson in algebra. Okay, firstly, we have in algebra unit 1, relations and functions. Okay, the first lesson, Cartesian product, the second lesson, relations, and the third one is functions mapping. Okay. The first term is so easy for third prep, okay, in math. Okay, let's start firstly in the fourth lesson. I forgot polynomial function. Okay, now let's start together unit 1 Cartesian product. It's the first part. A, it's order pairs. Okay, and we already studied order pairs from, I think, 5th primary. Okay, we'll revise what's the order pairs. Okay, firstly, if we have, we studied how to represent the order pair from second prep, okay, when we studied the slope before, okay. Now, for example, you have previously studied a relation between two variables, x and y. What you will learn, find the set of the order pairs which satisfy the relation. If I have a relation y equal to x negative 3, when x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2. We studied before this type of question in the slope, the second prep, okay, how to represent this function on graph. By first step, we need to draw table, okay, choose any value for x. For example, we will choose 0, 1, and 2, substitute with the value of x in my function to get y. For example, I choose 0, then I'm going to remove x and put 0. Now I have 0, negative 3, then y is negative 3. When x equals 1, I will remove x and put 1. 2, negative 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Negative 3, the answer is negative 1. Okay, when x equals 2, it means remove x and substitute with 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Negative 3, 1. Now I have negative 3, 0, and negative 3, 1, and negative 1, 2, and 1. So I have now 3 order pairs. Okay. Now I want to represent the order pairs on the graph. Okay. Then I want to represent the order pairs graphically in the coordinate plane. Then I'm going to get coordinate plan. Coordinate plan, it means a graph paper. I have two axes, x-axis and y-axis, positive direction and negative direction, positive direction and negative direction. Okay. And I want to represent the 3 order pairs, 0 and negative 3, 1 and negative 1, 2 and 1. Okay. How to represent the order pair? The first number here, the first place is for the x-axis. So 0 in x-axis, negative 3 on y-axis. Okay. And I'm going to represent this order pair by dot. Okay. As we will see now, okay, it's 0 and negative 3, 1 and negative 1, 2 and 1. Now I represent the order pairs, okay? Okay, does the ordered pair 2 and 1 equal the ordered pair 1 and 2? Okay, where is the ordered pair 2 and 1? Here, the ordered pair, the position of the ordered pair 2 and 1. Okay, if I said ordered pair 1 and 2, it means if I exchange, okay, the places of the numbers, خلاص, is the order pairs are equal or not? Are the order pairs are equal or not? Okay. Now let's represent the order pair 1 and 2. Okay, it's the order pair 1 and 2. Are they equal? Of course not. Why? Because they are different, have different position. So we can say that the order pair 2 and 1 equal the order pair 1 and 2. Or it's not allowed to exchange the places inside the order pair. Because if you exchange the place, it means another position for another order pair. Okay? طيب, the order pair, let's make a summary for what we said. Order pair A and B is called, as we said, order pair. Okay, A we called it first projection, B we called it the second projection. Okay, if order pair A and B equal order pair X and Y, it means A equals X, B equals Y. Mathematically, first projection equal first projection, second projection equal second projection. When? If we said the two order pairs are equal. Okay, so it's my condition. When we said order pairs are equal, it means automatically first projection equal first projection, second projection equal second projection. Okay, it's the relation between the two equal order pairs. If A and B not equals, so order pair A, B doesn't equal the other. Okay? Okay, now find the value. I will use this relation to solve the problem. Find the value of A and B. Okay? Here, what's my condition? Equal. Okay? And don't forget, equal order pairs means first equal first, second equal second. Okay, then from here I can get the value of A and B. Okay, then A equals -4, B equals 3. Okay, now I understand the relation between the two equal order pairs. Okay, I'm going to play with you. Okay, using this relation to find the value to solve anything I want to ask you about. Okay, then now I have this order pair. When we go to read this order pair, please firstly determine your comma. Where is your comma? It's my comma here. Okay, why? Because my comma, the job of this comma to separate the projections of the order pairs. يبقى here, where is the first projection of the order pairs? A, -1. What is the second projection of the order pair? B, -1. Okay, and satisfy my condition equal order pairs, then I'm going to use my relation. First projection equal first projection, second projection equal second projection. So it means that A, -5 equals 2. I can get the value of A when remove -5 to the other direction with the additive inverse, then A equals 2 +5, then A equals 7. Okay, the second projection B -1 equals -3. Okay, remove -A to the other direction with the additive inverse, then B equals -3 +1, then B equals -2. So I can use the relation between two equal order pairs to get any value I will ask you about. Okay? Now, for example, now you can stop this video, please, guys. It's the best for you. Stop the video and start to get the value of X and Y using what you understand. Okay? Okay, and after that, check your answer with me. You have two questions. For example, number 1, X power 2 and order pair and 125 equal 36 and Y cube. And don't forget, when we have equal means first equal first, second equal second. Then I'm going to get the value of X and Y. Okay, now check your answer. Okay guys, now please test yourself and check your answer. Then thank you for concentrating. Bye. Thank you guys.